If you're dreaming of the perfect blend of hunting, horseback riding, and luxury living, this Georgia property has it all. Welcome to 167 plus acres in Lawrence County, designed for the ultimate sportsman's paradise. At the heart of the estate is a stunning 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath lodge, combining rustic elegance with modern comfort, perfect for entertaining family, friends, or multi-generational living. Equestrian enthusiasts will love the horse stables with an attached 2-bedroom, 1-bath loft apartment, while dog lovers will appreciate the 14-bay kennel. 6 RV hookups make hosting guests a breeze, and a professionally designed skeet shooting range brings hours of outdoor excitement. Wildlife abounds with deer, turkey, and small game roaming freely, complemented by expansive trails for horseback riding, hiking, or ATVs. For those who love to entertain outdoors, a gorgeous stone fire pit and cook shack offered the perfect setting. Additional residential spaces include a one-bedroom, one-bath manager's house and a versatile barn dominium with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 3 bonus rooms, ideal for offices, guest quarters, or recreational use. With merchantable timber, open land, and every amenity for outdoor adventure, this property is truly turnkey for anyone seeking luxury, privacy, and a full-time or weekend retreat. Don't miss this opportunity to own one of Georgia's premier estates, where adventure, comfort, and nature meet